Welcome back to your meditation journey presented by Mindfulisms. We're really happy you're here. This short video will break down the fundamentals of how to meditate. When you meditate, it's important you find a place where you can relax into this process. You'll also want to set a timer or use a guided meditation that will time the session for you. Luckily, we have plenty of guided meditations on our channel and more free meditation tools coming to our community every day. And with that, we'd like to take a second and invite you to join the Mindfulisms community by clicking subscribe. And if you feel like giving the gift of meditation to a random stranger today, then please like this video. Now back to how to meditate. Meditation can be summarized in 7 simple steps. 1. Sit down. Look for a relaxing and peaceful spot to sit in. 2. Decide how long you want to practice for. If you're just getting started, setting aside a modest amount of time, such as 5 or 10 minutes, might be beneficial. 3. Pay attention to your body. You may sit in a chair with your feet on the floor, cross-legged, or kneel. Any of these positions is okay. Simply ensure that you are steady and in a posture that you can maintain for an extended period of time. 4. Pay attention to your breathing. Pay attention to the sensations of your breath as it enters and exits your body. 5. Recognize when your thoughts have wandered. Your attention will inevitably leave the breath and stray to other things. Simply restore your focus to the breath when you notice your mind has wandered, in a few seconds, a minute, or 5 minutes. 6. Be kind with your wandering thoughts. Don't pass judgment on yourself or concentrate about the nature of the ideas you're having. Simply return. 7. End on a positive note. Lift your gaze softly when you're ready. If your eyes are closed, open them. Take a time to listen to the noises around you. Take note of how your body is now feeling. Take note of your feelings and ideas. And that's how to meditate. It's all about breath, awareness, focus, allowing your mind to wander, and then bringing it back without judgment. In many ways, meditation is a practice that reflects life. Join the Mindfulisms community by subscribing to our channel for more free guided meditations, mindfulness courses, and focus and sleep tools. Thanks for watching, and remember, at Mindfulisms, we believe meditation should be free. See you next time.